everybody. Today we are going to be making some gak. It's 2-ingredient with a little food coloring, so technically 3 ingredients. I'm going to start out with some clear glue. So I've already put the glue into the bowl. I'm going to add a little bit of food coloring. So I'm going to make some green today. It'll look kind of snotty. So we're going to add 3 drops. See how green that turns out. You can always add a little more food coloring if you need to, but it's hard to take it away if it gets a little dark. So stir that food coloring in until you have lovely colored glue. And your glue is going to look very green. And now we have liquid starch. And there's 3/4 of a cup of liquid starch here to a 1/2 cup of our glue. And we're going to slowly add it. You can add it by about the 4th cup. You can measure if you want to, or you can sort of eyeball it. So add a little and mix. Mix it in really well. It'll start to get a little more kind of solidy, a little more of a kind of snot-like consistency, I guess you'd say. And then add a little bit more. And keep mixing. Mix till it's well mixed. By the end, you're going to have to probably use your hands to mix because the spoon's not going to be effective anymore. So this is one where you're going to get a little bit messy. And so gak is kind of like a slime, a different kind of slime. All right, we've got that pretty well mixed. See if I can get it up there. You can kind of see how it oozes. I'm gonna add this last bit, all of it. You can set this baggie aside. And mix in what you can with the spoon, and then you're gonna probably have to move to your hands. So I'm going to take off my rings for this. All right, rings off because I don't want to get them all covered in slime. If you have any rings or bracelets on, you might want to take them off too. Set my spoon aside. And we get to the really messy part of mixing this in with our hands. See, it's getting really slimy and oozy. And after we get it all mixed, we're going to let it sit just a little bit and it'll get beautifully shiny. Make some wonderful squelchy noises. Scrape down the sides with my fingers. Just kind of squish it all together. You can see how it stretches. I'm going to get that all mixed in as much as possible. And you have some gak. At the end, I'll put some pictures of what it looks like when it's done, when it's all nice and shiny.